Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Who doesn't love a good chicken wing every now and then? And I have been craving them. It's been a while. Today's recipe, I will tell you, you're going to find it, hopefully, very unique and interesting. If you're flying over now, I'm cooking for Chow Time. Thank you. Anyway, I hope you like it. Alright, the only thing I'm going to do to these wings right now is season them a little S&P. We'll close it up and we'll start on our interesting sauce. I have about 2 cups or so of blackberries. Look at these beauties. Now I know why some of those artists of long ago painted fruit all the time. It's beautiful. I'm going to add to this about 1.5 cups of red wine and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And as this heats up and the berries get warm, I'm going to be mashing them against the side of this. I want it to have a little texture, this sauce, but I also want to mash the juice out of those berries. So we'll let that heat up a little bit. This has been boiling away so I can reduce it by about half while the wings are cooking. And I've been just mashing those berries against the side. See that? It's just where I want it. So I'm going to turn it off for now so we can flip the wings. Looking good. Cook those a little more. Now we're going to play with the sauce a little bit. What kind of animal is that? Go away! Go away! God, so many interruptions today. We're going to have a few more things to this blackberry wine sauce. I want to stir in 3 tablespoons of butter. You know, that will just make it silky and smooth and a little bit creamy. So we'll melt that in, and then I have to have a little bit of heat with those blackberries. So I'm going to do a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. We'll stir that in. And one more thing. Here comes the smoky part. Liquid smoke. What a great product this is. And it's all natural. So you don't need a whole lot of this for a nice smoky flavor. So I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons. Like that. Ooh, I can smell that already. We'll let these flavors get to know one another a little bit. We'll just wait on those wings. Well, this looks inviting, doesn't it? Smoked blackberry wings. I can't wait to dive into these. Slightly sweet, slightly smoky. Nice little bit of heat from the red pepper flakes. And I love, love the blackberry sauce. Give it a whirl.